a couple sparks happening now. That's the point there. Is up to temperature. Just making sure this time that it is good and hot. You're ready, Lowell? Good. I got it. Now typically with a weld, if you want to do a clean job, you should, at this point, once you got the cohesion, that's what this is, it's not adhesion, you're not gluing pieces together, you're actually driving the crystal structures together. But to do a weld like this, there's seams would be very visible if you just kept trying to close it up in one weld, so it's usually better to wash the weld, is what they used to call it. And let's get to this point, reflux, bring it up to welding temperature, and then clean it up that way. I was asked to be on forest and fire a year and a half ago. I said, no, I can't take 2 weeks out for the chance to win $10,000. You know, 1 in 4.
Probably not. I don't like the format. Kind of set the guys up to fail.
Yep.
It's
Like
like
for TV.
it's a dumb contest show. Like it's not. I don't know. It's not really about bladesmithing the way it's supposed to be done.
Well, it's
I'm
also
not a
very
blade-
generalized,
I'm not
right?
a bladesmith either, so I wouldn't really.
Well, the whole idea of making a blade is you're supposed to take your time and do it properly. You're not supposed to be racing and competing with weird variables.
Yeah.
They've given you like 3 hours and
But that's what, you know, that's what reality TV is now is. So that's the reality of it. So if you come in closely here, you can see it's visible on the far end of that seam there, and I think this one is a little bit more. So, and then if you look at the side seam, you can see a little bit of an indication there, but it pretty much blends out in the center there. So
What exactly is the borax doing in there?
the borax is just keeping oxygen out when you're heating it up in the fire. So then so you want to bring these pieces up to the point that the surfaces are pretty much molten. And then when doing that, you're able to drive the molecules together. So the crystal structure is driven together and networks and becomes one. And then as I hammer it out, that grain structure that we talked about this morning is hammered out. So where you're MIG welding a piece where you've got a piece and a piece with its grain structure, then you're welding a random structure and you've got like 3 different grain patterns. This, you're ending up with one continuous grain pattern. So like it's essentially one piece of steel after you're done with it. That's one of the cool things about forged welding, and that's why Damascus pattern welded steel works, is because you're actually fusing those together and becoming one piece of steel, but it's made out of different layers of different alloys.
You get a class on that?